Alright, let's do it. Dad said don't hold back, go get that, don't hesitate. Mom said just step back and slow it down, go meditate. Told myself stay humble, don't say it all with your chest out. But my girl keeps on telling me that I'm the best out.
The day has come. It's finally time to get this fucking Mazda fixed. Let's head round to Advanced Automotive, let's go see Kieran, and let's go get her running properly. Like I said in the last video, the car does need a little bit of work. Hopefully we're going to be able to sort needing throttle to actually get her to idle first thing in the morning on a cold start. We're going to be chucking a new rocker cover gasket on because we're leaking oil from the rocker cover. Going to be trying to fix the exhaust up because we've got a major exhaust leak from the middle where the bloke before was decatted it. Got to put a couple of rubbers on as well to stop the back box bouncing against the chassis. Also going to go with a new set of plugs, a new set of leads and a new coil pack to see if that helps it run any better. So fingers crossed we'll be on to a winner by the end of this and we'll have a reliable drift car. Just fix the shitbox, I suppose.
I'm playing chess and I do not check on my mates cause I don't have time for no friends. I know it's bad, but all my priorities shifted when I saw what I had on hand. I gotta
Might have been limited slip.
No, open. Yeah, I wasn't sure if it was limited or open.
Leaky.
Leaky, you see it?
Maybe leaky.
Leaky decat. Your chassis rails are proper fucking caved in this side.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you see what I mean?
It's doing a Mexican wave. That's cool then.
Oh yeah, I see you. Oh, it's just like that's leaking a bit, doesn't it?
Moist.
That does look a bit damp up there, doesn't she?
I bet there's been drinks cool, isn't there?
Not in the time I've seen. Why? Have we got a serious leak?
That's cool. It's got a foot clip on it.
Right, yeah.
That looks like a cable tie.
Yeah, that does.
That looks like it hasn't got anything on it.
No.
And then it goes up to the throttle body here. Hasn't got anything on it. That clip should be there.
Yeah.
It's alright because I've painted the inlet manifold.
Oh yeah. Ah, the important bit. Yeah, fucking hell, man. You ain't wrong, are you? Oh yeah, shit. He's literally just hanging off, innit?
You're already wrong about that. It's like a pencil.
He might as well not even fucking have one. Could be worse.
Yeah, it could be mine.
Yeah, good fucking answer, dickhead.
I know, but I'm actually surprised of how, like, not rotting it is.
Yeah.
Underneath's alright.
Yeah.
It looks like a bit of a dog at the top, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
I ain't gonna poke that.
Oh yeah, no, please don't. I'd rather you not.
Stop blowing holes in my shit.
Oh yeah, that does look fucking shitty, doesn't it? Oh, I can go through that with my finger. I'm gonna stop touching that. But a little bit of pressure on that with my thumb, I nearly poked a hole in the cunt.
And then like these bottom ball joint ones.
Yeah.
Starting to perish.
Yeah, they are. Right, I see you.
It's like Pac-Man.
Hello. Hey, nice.
Yeah. Fix me.
First job was to get this old oil drained so we can give her a little bit of a service. Well, that's properly draining. We're going to crack on with fitting a new gasket to this leaking exhaust. Hopefully it's just the one leak. But as you can see, the old oil didn't actually look too bad considering I have basically no history on the car.
There's a lot of fucking pressure when she's talking to me, cause I got a lot of problems that she doesn't need. And I'm the cheapest spread them, I don't let them mess with me. But they'll fuck with her, I don't fuck with me. I try to be myself.
Oh, she is oozing. FT. Fucking tight.
Fairly tight. We're good business, yeah?
Yeah, that's the one.
With the gasket now replaced and exhaust paste put on out of my choice, we put a couple of new rubbers on to stop the exhaust system swinging and banging off the chassis in the back bumper. But that's when Kieran picked up the camera and flipped the script on me.
You get your own back, didn't you?
Yes. How do you like having a camera in your face?
Used to it, mate.
So it's not in your way, is it? It's
Nah, not at all. Nah, never in the way. There we are.
Is it in yet?
Oh, yeah. Barely. It's on the tin.
After I was finally finished fannying around, we went to sort of finish up the oil change, swapping out the filter and banging in a new plug.
It's your little baby.
Tiny little baby. I can see where there's fucking oil all under the other side of it now. Put the butt plug in.
But we couldn't fill her up with oil just yet, as a certain someone had to try to take off the old seized metal tyre valve cap, snapping the valve in the process. And for once, it's not me. So off we go to change this valve out. Luckily enough, Advanced Automotive can also fit tyres. Make sure to give Kieran a call on this number on your screen and go ahead and get yourself booked in today for most forms of mechanical work.
Let's fill the old girl up. What are we going for? Going for 530 semi-synthetic.
Whilst you watch this time lapse of the oil being filled, I just wanted to show you what we found when taking the back wheel off. One of the driver's side rear pads was loose in the caliper and rattling around. We checked through the other side wheel and...
This side's got the fitting kit, but then it's also got a shim on the back.
Ooh, yeah.
So I've just left it as it is for now, as I planned on doing the back brakes in future anyways. And now the oil's in, let's start her up.
It's not half as fucking loud.
No?
No, it's not half as fucking loud as what it was. That's why the gasket's leaking.
Ah, it's something today.
Seems to be alright, touch wood. Fingers crossed.
Now that the engine's warmed up a little bit, let's start working on getting this cam cover off, starting with the ignition coil and leads.
I bring you the best.
Yeah. This fucking bolt is about 40 foot long. I think it holds your front bumper on. There you go, you can do the rest.
Fair play. Not worse if I break it, it's my fault.
I've done the worst, mate. And whatever that makers. Don't know if it's original or not. But how the fuck we get that bolt back in there though?
Hasn't come with that either.
No.
Let's push that out and then
Yeah.
slide that out.
The next job for me to do was to get this rocker cover cleaned up. As you saw earlier in the video, the last person has used more sealant than the amount needed to shut your mum's legs. So I'll just skip over the next half hour of me painfully scraping all the shitty old sealant off. Anyways, now that that's all clean and the new rocker cover gasket is in, Kieran's going to put just a blob of sealant on the edges of the gasket where it's most likely to leak to avoid future issues. Now that that's done, let's put the old girl back together.
Might have been a cunt, but the coil's finally on.
Yes.
Major cunt.
With the rocker cover now all back together with a fresh gasket, it was time to slip the new spark plugs in and tighten them down before moving on to putting the new ignition leads on, just to fully refresh the ignition system. With everything finally put back together, it was time to start her back up again.
She's idling steady now. Before, when she'd idle, she would float between, what, 300 and 600 RPM, but she's sitting steady at 6 now.
Okay.
Or it'd fluctuate and it'd like try to stall out on you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to do ignition. Things alright.
It's janky ass wiring.
Yes.
It's not alright. That's horrendous.
I know.
It's household like wire, that is.
Yep. Fucking is, isn't it? And yeah, literally just stripped it.
With the previous owner's questionable electrical work pushed to the back of my mind, it was time to take her for a test drive, and Kieran decided he'd take the first go.
One with both days.
Yep. Oh, yes, boy. She goes quite well, doesn't she?
Does in the work. Trying to see if the handbrake locked up.
Fucking yeah, boy.
I won't keep doing it because you will need tyres soon.
I'll kill them myself. Kieran's test drives are always something. Always something. Right then boys, that is us done. The new ignition system has made a big difference. The car's running right now. It's not running lumpy like it was. Now it actually feels faster than the Golf, so we are on to a winner. Big thank you to Kieran up at Advanced Automotive. I'd have been absolutely fucked without you today, mate. You're the bollocks as always, you know that. Any help you need with any cars you guys have got, Kieran is the man to ask for. Give this number on screen a ring to get in touch with Kieran at Advanced Automotive. I'm sure he'll be able to help you out.
3 weeks later.
It's been about 3 weeks now since Kieran did all the work for me that you've just saw, but we have developed a bit of a bigger issue. So I've been using this car fairly frequently since I bought it. I've been doing like 2 to 3 runs to work and back during the week, and of course I've been using it over the weekend. But this Wednesday just gone, she developed an issue on the way into work. Bear in mind, I only drive like 2 miles a day to get to work, so it's not a long distance at all. Just about a mile into the trip, the car coughed and spluttered, massively dropping in power and refusing to rev to anything above 3k. It sounded and felt like she was just running on the 2 cylinders. After limping the car to work, I wanted to make sure that all of the ignition leads were still on the spark plugs properly, which they were. I gave them all a wiggle, pushed them all down, everything was on there properly. I also then noticed that my coolant level had drastically dropped, dropping down to way below minimum, leaving the bottle almost entirely empty. And let's just say, that was not a nice colour, that was a lovely brown colour. From there, I could gather that something major had gone wrong. So I decided to give Brian up at BC Cars a call. Being a bloke that builds and races MX-5s for a living, if anybody's going to know what's wrong with it, it's going to be him. And let's just say, it wasn't good news. When their race cars drop down 2 cylinders on track, as soon as they get it back into the pits, the first thing they do is to check that cylinders 2 and 3 are firing properly. If they're all getting spark, then it normally means that the head gasket has gone between cylinders 2 and 3. With a very bad feeling in my stomach, I went back to the car later on in the afternoon to check to make sure that everything was sparking properly. So I did, and everything was sparking as it should be. Constant spark from all 4 cylinders. The drive home was fun. From not being able to stop at junctions because the car absolutely refused to idle, I was having to use the handbrake to slow down for these junctions so I didn't roll out in front of anybody because I couldn't brake and keep the revs up and dip the clutch all at the same time. Did manage to limp it back home, which brings me back to where we are now. Kieran has agreed to do a compression test for me, so I'm going to take you along for a ride. Let's just hope we make it, eh? She's still not running right. Let's get her fucking gone. Let's get this done. Oh, God, girl. Oh, God, boys. What a fucking shit show. She's dead. She's gone. She's dead. Come on, girl. We've just got to make it to Kieran's. It's not that far up the road. At least it's this car and not the Golf. That's what I'm glad about. Oh, God, she stinks. Oh, she smells hot already. Come on, girl. I knew that roundabout was gonna be the fucking worst bit. She's doing all right. She's doing all right to make it this far, I think. Don't. What the fuck was that? If you're gonna pull out on me, do it with fucking pace, you fucking cunt. To the middle to definitely sit here, isn't it? Definitely sit here. That's where he reckons it's gone. Between 2 and 3. Let's see what happens. Let's get the tester out. Go on. 130 roughly. 135. Yeah, 135. 135 1, 145 2. 135. Ready? Yep. 145. What the fuck?
It's got consistent compression.
Yeah, consistent compression then. That's a good start. I've just limped the car back home. We finished up at Kieran's now. We had a fairly consistent compression rating all round from what, 135 to 145. It's both good news and bad news, because in theory it means the head gasket isn't gone because we've got consistent compression. Done a little bit of diagnosing off camera. I only recorded a compression test. I didn't record after that. We're getting continuity to all 4 injectors from the wiring and from the injectors themselves. We are getting consistent pulse from all 4 injectors. The only thing that isn't entirely consistent is spark. We did just replace the ignition leads. The only thing we can put it down to being is a dodgy ignition lead. Admittedly, I did only buy a cheap set of Lucas leads. I've never had a problem with them before, but we could both see the leads arcing from each other from the actual ignition coil on the very end too. So I think it's gonna be worth us changing the ignition leads just to rule that out. So I've limped the car home. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna order a set of ignition leads, and I'll see you back again when we're fitting these to see if this fixes it.
1 week later.
We are back. I've got a set of high quality NGK ignition leads. Let's just say these cost me like 5 times the cost of the original Lucas ones I bought. So let's chuck these bad boys on. Let's hope it fixes the issue, because if it doesn't, then I think this car's gonna get torched. Let's have it. Find out. Well, new leads are in, so let's crank her up and see what happens.
That sounds awful. Are you constantly revving? Stop.
You can die.
Yeah.
Right. New leads are on. Made no fucking difference at all. Go on, Raz, crank it. As soon as I pull this one out, nothing changes. It's the exact problem we had last week. Put that one back in, nothing changes. Pull that one out, nothing fucking changes. As soon as you touch any of these middle two, I don't know what's fucking wrong with it. I don't know. I don't fucking know.
I'm not with any help, mate, honestly.
Let's torch it and put a fucking insurance claim through. I'm done. Fuck it, I'm going for a spliff.
There's not a Raz filming video without a gay ass moment.